Welcome to Sulfur AI, where we explore the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI channel ideas that are sure to captivate and inspire you. In this video, we'll explore 10 engaging AI channel ideas that you can start today. Whether you're passionate about art, fitness, travel, or science, there's a niche for everyone in the AI community. So, buckle up and get ready to unleash your creativity with these AI-powered channel ideas. Let's dive in. Number 1. AI Cuisine. Embark on a culinary adventure like no other with AI Cuisine. Explore a diverse array of AI-generated recipes and cooking tutorials that push the boundaries of flavor and technique. Number 2. AI Fitness Coach. Achieve your fitness goals with precision and personalized guidance from AI Fitness Coach. Access tailor-made workout routines, expert tips, and cutting-edge training programs designed by AI algorithms to optimize performance, enhance results, and elevate your well-being. Number 3. AI Storyteller. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of storytelling with AI Storyteller. Experience gripping narratives, captivating short films, and interactive adventures crafted by AI storytellers. From thrilling suspense to heartwarming tales, let AI spin a web of imagination and intrigue. Number 4. AI Travel Guide. Embark on unforgettable journeys and discover hidden gems around the globe with AI Travel Guide. Let AI-generated travel guides and itineraries be your compass as you explore new destinations, plan dream vacations, and create memories that last a lifetime. Number 5. AI Language Learning. Unlock the world of languages with AI Language Learning. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, dive into immersive language lessons, interactive exercises, and AI-powered conversation practice to master new languages with ease and confidence. Number 6. AI Fashionista. Stay ahead of the curve and unleash your style with AI Fashionista. From runway trends to personalized wardrobe recommendations, let AI fashion experts guide you through the latest looks, accessories, and styling tips to express your unique personality and flair. Number 8. AI Gardener. Cultivate your green thumb and transform your garden with AI Gardener. Access expert gardening tips, plant care advice, and landscaping ideas powered by AI algorithms. From blooming flowers to lush landscapes, let AI be your guide to creating a vibrant and thriving outdoor oasis. Number 9. AI Science Lab. Ignite your curiosity and explore the wonders of science with AI Science Lab. Conduct virtual experiments, delve into scientific concepts. Number 10. AI Gaming Hub. A channel centered around AI and gaming, covering topics such as AI opponents in video games, procedural content generation, and machine learning algorithms used for game development. This channel could also feature gameplay highlights and reviews of AI-driven games. Don't forget to subscribe to Sulfur AI for more insights, inspiration, and adventures in the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming, innovating, and embracing the future with open arms. See you in the next video.